Hey guys, it's your girl Jasmine and I'm back with yet another video. If you guys have read that title, your girl is doing another Shein haul. Yes ma'am honey, because I know that you guys love my Shein hauls and you're here for them and I am here for them. If you guys have watched my last Shein haul, then I showed you guys this butterfly oversized tee along with these orange sparkle shorts. It pairs so well together. You got your shorts, you got your big top. So yeah, if you have not seen that video, I will leave that link down in the description bar so that way you guys can check out that video once you finish this video. So guys, I just want to thank you so much for always tuning into my videos. Do not forget to like, comment down below if you like the items that I purchased. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys in a bit. Thank you. We got a package, and so I opened the box, but I promise you I didn't try on any of these items. I just opened it to see what package it was. Like, your girl got a pack. Your girl got a pack in the mail. Period. A pack from Shein in the mail. Yeah, I just want to let y'all know. If you watched my last video, I told y'all I was going to start using my camera, using my MacBook, but I ain't gonna lie, I'm stressed out. Like, seriously, I do not know how to work this camera, but I'm pulling through. I'm gonna make it work for you guys, for myself, because I don't want to waste any money on this equipment that I bought. So anywho, let's get into this Shein haul. So the first thing I got is this onesie. It's like a one piece, or what do you call it, I don't know, leotard in a size small. It's in mocha brown. I've been had this skirt, by the way. So yeah, I just paired it with the skirt because I thought it would look kind of cute. Just to show you guys, because I can't show you the onesie by itself. But I would suggest that you guys get like a brown color bra, because it keeps like sliding down or whatever. So yeah, I would suggest you get a skin tone colored bra or something that's similar to this shirt, because it will like fry down. But it is super cute. I like it. Yes. But you guys think it's my arms are super long, so it kind of fits like right at the tip, which is perfect for me. Yes, this is a super cute top and I recommend it. Size small, by the way. You like it? Oh, and my hair matches perfectly with this. Okay, moving on. Number 2. Alrighty guys, so this shirt is similar to the first one, but instead it has buttons from above your belly button all the way to your boobie, so you can button it up as high or as low as you want it. I just decided to do 3 buttons, which is quite enough for me. I don't want to be exposed that much. It fits well. It's very soft, it's warm. I actually like it better than the first one. So yeah, what do you guys think? Is it cute? Yes, I like this one a lot. Yes, and I bought these shirts specifically for some shoes, and I'm hoping that it's gonna match the shoes, but if not, I'll find something else to wear with them. But yes, super cute. Okay guys, so the next piece I ordered from Shein was this black top. It's super fitted. It's it looks as if it's a t-shirt, but it is a onesie. I'm assuming they're called onesies. I don't know what you call them. I also got this skirt from Shein last year, so I decided to just pair this top with this skirt, and it is super cute. You can, like I said, you can either dress this shirt up or you can dress it down. It's totally up to you. I love the material of this shirt. It's gonna wash pretty well. I don't think it's gonna get dingy or anything. It is super duper cute. Maybe I should have paired this shirt with a different skirt. I don't know. It's super cute. What do you guys think? Don't forget to let me know in the description box, in the comment box down below. Let me know what you guys think, okay? It's super cute. It's super comfortable and soft. Okay guys, so I also have that same black top in white. I love the material. And I actually like it better with this skirt. Well, I like the skirt better with this top than I do the black one. I forgot to mention that everything I have is in a size small. This top, the black one, and both the brown tops are in a size small. So what do you guys think about this? Super duper cute, right? Super cute. Y'all, this next piece that I'm about to show you, same shirt, different bottoms. Oh my freaking god, y'all, this piece has to be my absolutely favorite piece from this whole package. Like, let me just show you guys, because honey, I've been looking for these pants for the freaking longest, and I didn't know Shein sell these pants. Bum, y'all, bum. Yes ma'am. Like, y'all, it makes that noise, but that's okay. Y'all, I can wear this top with these pants, put on a cute coat. I can wear my Dr. Martin boots. I can put on some tennis shoes. I can put on some heels. I can dress these pants up. This entire fits up. Like, let me do a 360. Y'all, I love these pants. Even with the, look, you hear me when I walk? That's okay, because the pants itself cute. Like, I love these pants. Love these pants. My favorite thing from this entire freaking package from Shein. Shein, once again, you've outdone yourself, period. Y'all see this? Honey, y'all see this coat? This peak coat. Every bit of what, $38? If that, like, y'all, look at this, the quality of this coat. Bum. It's freaking long. Yes. The quality of this coat. Bum. Who gonna be cold this winter? You, not me. I'm gonna be warm in my pants. Y'all hear them pants? Oh honey, I freaking love this coat. I'm getting a cute scarf from Shein, of course. I love this coat. Honey, love this coat. Shein, you've outdone yourself. Shein, outdone yourself, period. Bougie, bougie. Shein, you've outdone yourself. I love it. They're so long, they're classy, bougie, ratchet. Ow. Y'all, you can dress this coat up. Let me get right. You can dress this coat up. Get you a nice little bag to go with it. Louis, of course. You can dress this coat down. Let me put on some sweats. No, I don't want to do it like that. Y'all feeling my fit? Honey, Shein, you won again. Y'all like the color? It's like a mocha brown. And I got these both in a size medium. The brown one and the black one in a size medium. Shein, once again, you've outdone yourself. You have outdone yourself. Seriously. But guys, I just want to thank you so much for tuning in to my Shein haul. I hope you guys watched this video in its entirety, and if you did, you rock. So stay tuned to my next video, guys, and please do not forget to like, comment down below if you enjoyed this video, which piece was your favorite. If you want to see more Shein hauls in the future, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys, see you next time.